Hungry.
What does a dull hospital mean?
At least you can feed yourself now. This is fine.
Wait, I just saw a love. What was that?
We're about to have the geothermal thing. It's happening. 30 more. 20. 15. We got it.
Yay! Okay, drug production. Let's go. I'm doing it. Drug. Yeah. Production. Go. Right, production. You got the power thing? Yeah.
Yep.
There we go. Let's get some power conduits. There we go. We could build a little wall around this to protect it.
Not a bad idea.
Need to chop these trees. Oh, guinea pig self-tamed. Wow, free food. Oh, shit. Hey. Can't complain about that.
Free money?
Free money.
Sick. Oh, is it being built pretty fast? Jan Bob's popping off.
No. Why did she do that?
Don't
There we
forget
go.
the
Nice.
conduit. Hold on.
Oh, yeah.
Jan Bob, you finish this first.
Nope.
Wait, does it even connect all the way?
Yeah, it connects to the wind turbine.
Oh, okay.
She gone to sleep.
The fuck?
Because when you do the shift thing, if she's already planning on going to sleep, then she'll do it which wakes up.
Oh, okay. I can't fucking believe it. Hmm. We're gonna run out of fucking power soon.
We'll be
I mean,
fine.
we have
We've got
some.
batteries. A little bit.
Yeah, they're lacking. My push to talk is V in Discord, which toggles the power for shit.
Oh, really? Oh, no.
Yeah, I need to make sure I don't have it selected.
Before.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. It's connected. Ooh, a war merchant. Okay.
We don't have much silver though, right?
Jaeger is harvesting some right now, but that's about it.
Unless they want to buy some granite blocks.
Hey, they might. Yes, and Jam Bob. They haven't even got anything good. We've got 2 short bows to sell. We might as well.
Yeah, send it.
8 silver. Okay.
If
Anything
we
else?
had enough, a male and female boomalope.
Oh yeah, because I remember we did that before. We had like the chemical.
We had
thing.
generators that
Yeah.
were pretty much powered by it. Though I think a muffalo would be better. Muffalos are actually
can't
pretty
remember.
sick. All right, yeah,
Anything
I'm
else?
content with that.
Yeah. Okay, we've nearly got a drug lab already.
So
Hope we've got enough
that's only
drugs.
half, because then we need the go juice production, which is 1,000.
Yeah. Oh, it's 1,000. Fuck. We've got to limit that to just Cassia that use it. Otherwise, everyone's going to use it. You can do it under schedule or something. Assign.
Yeah, it's assigned. Drug policy. Should I just do no drugs? No drugs.
Sure.
No drugs. No drugs. Cassia
Yeah,
is
well,
the only one, right?
Cassia, yeah. And then Jagerbomb might need some cycle or something. Ooh, a harrowing assembly.
Should I set him to social drugs? Jagerbomb?
Yeah, that should be fine.
And then Cassia, 1 drink per day.
Oh no, it's 1 drink every 5 days, I think. 1 go juice every 5 days, yeah. Nice. Go juice. Oh, she's already got 3 levels in intellectual already.
This is good. You get rid of these damn torches and put light. Oh,
What the hell? Well, everyone needs to wake up. Come on, guys. It was just one of the cables. Annoying.
it's fine.
That's why it's good that we have sandstone moles. Yeah, these these batteries are depleting really quick. Yeah. Actually, no, we've got a 2500 watt excess, so we'll be fine. Houdini just ate a lavish meal. Okay, the cycle is 31% grown, so by the time we research, that should be good. Let's put a drug lab down. We need steel. We need someone to just go haul it. Who's our hauler? I'll just send Jaegerbomb.
Should I put... Oh, it is dark in there.
Everybody's surprisingly happy apart from the child. Because we need to convert him, but let me get Jambob to try and convert what's the face again? Okay, not great.
What happened?
Just Jambob tried to convert Cassia. It didn't go great.
Oh.
We could try and make a religious room, and then we can try, like, if you click on the ritual spot, the purple thing, we can do a, where is it? A conversion ritual. Wait, no. Eh? Oh, it's on cooldown.
Please. Make the light. Perfect.
Drug lab incoming. That's everybody's rooms. Dull. Mediocre. That's fine. Oh yeah, we could use the granite blocks as floor tiles because they give you 1 beauty for every one. That'd make their rooms nicer.
Just really, it says the rooms are only 50% lit. Should I move them to the center? We'll just hover over the room at the bottom left. It says lit 50%. Or is it because it's nighttime? Do they dim it? I don't know.
I think that's just the individual square. I think. Yeah, I think it's just inside there's no windows or nothing. As long as it's not dark, it's not a problem. Drug lab, please. Jababa. What you doing? What you eating?
What to do? Needs a plant pot. Should I put it in every single one?
We got like 500 silver or something out of that meteor.
Actually,
It's
really
pretty
fucking
nice.
good.
Ooh. You made a masterwork plant pot. Holy shit.
Hell yeah.
Okay. We could start making some joints. I don't think we can yet.
We have to swap these because Drat's room needs to be better. Actually, we're gonna move that there.
Bro,
There.
what is wrong with these people? We need to convert Jaegerbomb. Honestly, it might be time to throw the child in the cupboard and convert him.
What the fuck?
We just gotta lock him up, I think. Okay, let's try it. Because he's getting so sad because he's part of the other ideology. Chocolate. Okay, Neutroamine is used for making medicine, but I don't think we could do that yet. We could buy some beer. These guys do have some beer.
Do we want to get rid of the leather we have?
I mean, yeah, we could do. Especially guinea pig. Like, maybe like plain leather, keep the plain leather, but then just get rid of the rest.
Because that would give us a decent amount.
I think we buy some beer. I think people enjoy that.
How much do we... Oh, shit, there's a lot down here.
I want some chocolate. Only 8.
It's a tox pack, a reusable backpack containing canisters of reagents and mechanism that use them to generate tox gas. Where it activates the pack, it'll begin spreading tox gas and continue for several seconds until it runs out. Burns the lungs and eyes, causing temporary shortness of breath and reduction in sight.
That's fucking weird. That's for like some...
our people also die from that?
Yeah, I think so.
That's fucked. Oh shit. No, that's expensive. Yeah, we don't.
How much is that? I don't know. Maybe I don't know whether to buy any Neutroamine. How far away are we from making medicine and stuff?
We're more than halfway to go juice.
What about just like normal medicine? Do you know how much that is?
Wait. Hold up. We need a better drug lab to even do juice stuff, right? Because I
don't think so.
Right now, it can only make a smoke leaf joint.
Yeah, it's not on there yet because we haven't finished researching it.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. You're right.
I think let's just buy a little bit of Neutroamine, like enough where we break even on this trade. There we go. 22. Anything else?
Nope.
All right. Okay. Yeah, I don't think we can get medicine until after microelectronics. So yeah, we didn't buy too much.
Lights.
They're all sleeping in the cold. Can you turn up the thing a little bit? Wait, did they just kill somebody? What the fuck? They just like knocked somebody out here.
That person's injured. They're in intense pain.
These
If
people
eight
have like
mining,
grenades.
eight, oh, yeah. Let's not do anything. Yeah, they need to clean up their fucking mess. Now we need another grave.
Okay. Oh, for fuck's
Wait, will these people
sake.
help us?
Maybe. There's only one
Oh wait,
guy.
wait, hold on. This is like the same kind of person as the others.
An impid, yeah. Ooh, they're fast,
Eight
too.
int. If we can take them, I say we do.
Okay. What about if I drop Moody's knife and I just send him to knock the guy out? So it's risky. Do we want to do it?
Can a short bow be shot from melee range?
I don't think so, no.
Okay, then yeah. Beat their ass.
Okay, gear. Drop the knife.
Well,
Yeah.
can you start with a knife and then change?
I don't think so. No.
Oh, okay. Well, do we have like a club or something?
Maybe were these guys selling any? I don't think they were selling weapons, were they? I don't think we have a club, no. Check.
I'm gonna. Oh, are they starting immediately? Oh yeah.
Checking. No, they're preparing.
No, he's on the way.
Okay, I'm just sending Moody.
Hold on, I'm
Let's
checking
go.
the dialogue. Any nothing. All right.
We can send Cassie too.
Wait,
but just
save.
send Fire.
Safe, just in case.
Okay.
We're safe, scummers. All right.
Yeah.
Where are they?
I'll press play. You sit in the dialogue?
Oh, yep. Oh, so they were coming this way and then they moved back.
Okay, I will just leave Cassia here, not on fire at will. Okay, let's go, Moody. Fuck him up. This should be fine.
Stunned? Fuck him up!
Beam up!
Melee level increase! Fuck him up! Beat their ass!
We destroyed their right big toe. Holy shit. Come on. Jambob needs to practice. Are you kidding me? Yeah.
And Moody's injured. But it's not that bad. Fuck, another grave?
All they had, they would have just died from a fight. How old were they? They were 45. They weren't even old. Ah, damn it.
I don't know what else we can do. There's a body here. Wait, are we supposed to strip them for their clothes and shit?
You can, but they're tainted clothes, which don't sell for a lot, and you can't wear them without a debuff unless you're like a psychopath.
Oh, okay. Who do we have that can deal with these two bodies? Wait, do our people even give a fuck about this? Okay, they don't. They don't. Wait, none of them care about the body.
I think they would once it started rotting or something, you know. Okay, Jagerbomb cared because he was carrying it. Wait, he just started an insulting spree and then stopped immediately.
Good.
I ain't complaining. Another shelf in here. Okay, Drats is cleaning up nicely. Let me just copy the settings.
What about
paste the settings? There we go.
Floor? Wait. Okay, here.
Oh, we can harvest our ambrosia.
Wait, isn't there supposed to be a tile that what's the best flooring for a
Oh, for God's sake.
what's the best flooring for like
What
a
now?
medical thing or like
Wait, without a
lab?
table? That's your own
I
fault.
thought it was, isn't it tile? Is that not something I can do? Is it a specific kind of tile? Sterile tile. But is that... Oh, okay. Thank you.
I think we should try and build a religious room thing.
Sterile materials.
But I don't know what we need in it.
Hmm. Oh my gosh. In order to get any of this.
Yeah, we need a machine shape. Which is 50.
Are things about to be done researching? What did we want to do next?
That's a good question. I don't know. I'll be honest.
Would you be opposed to hydroponics? We can grow stuff indoors.
Do you think we need it?
I don't know how because like I feel like it would be way more efficient because you can do it outdoors, not have to risk going or traveling back and forth. You can do the drugs.
Oh no, we need something else. We need yayo, which means we need. Oh fuck, this go juice is difficult, dude. Good job we bought some of that fucking Nutramine because it needs that for the go juice.
Is it psychite refining that we need?
Is that for yayo?
Different forms of the euphoric psych. I'm assuming it is.
Oh yeah, flaking yayo. Yeah, we need that. Oh damn
All
it,
right.
dude.
Well, it's not that big of a research in comparison. It's 400.
Yeah, that's true.
What the fuck is
Someone said
Moody's?
hydroponics is good. Everything grows at max speed. You can get rice in 3 days.
Ooh.
Okay. I'm gonna build a little religious room up
Okay.
here somewhere.
The other good thing about it is at night, obviously things don't grow, but if you have the light in the room where shit's growing, it'll grow throughout the night.
Oh, okay.
I'm assuming that's how it would work. Logically, that makes sense.
Yeah. Are you like with the sun lamps and stuff?
Yeah. Oh my god. Wait, we're already at 130 out of 400, and it's only been Moody. Cassia hasn't done anything.
Moody's pretty good. I don't know what his thing is now, but it's
8.
decent.
Cassia's at 11. Almost at 12.
Oh, this is off-centered, and that's annoying.
Let's check the health of everyone. That's fine.
Oh, apparently plants need rest at night.
Oh, fuck. Doc?
Huh?
So did Cassia get any of the juice?
No.
Okay.
If at 30 days she gets into a coma, so we've got 17 more days. Ooh, new quests that we need to accept or not.
So what drug did Cassia use? Because Cassia has a -15 thing for using a drug.
Probably beer. Because she's got an alcohol tolerance right now. But just has some beer.
Yeah, that's fine.
Have you seen the quest?
No, I'm looking.
Architect, Archotechnist, Carmen Carmelita, Orcas of Facado is request that you build a monument to reduce feelings of scarcity amongst the people.
4x7, that's not bad.
And we could get Hector, who is incapable of caring and social. He's industrious. He's not the best. He's not the worst. You know? I don't know how he's a sheriff if he's also incapable of caring and social.
I mean, do we do it for the extra soldier?
I mean, it's not a bad idea. He could construct stuff instead of Jam Bob, you know? And mine.
We do have to start considering food and whatnot.
And then we can just... Oh, we have to complete it and then protect it for 24 days.
Protect it? So we're anticipating attacks?
Maybe.
Oh, gosh.
I think we do it.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay, there we go. And is that Hector? Oh, it's a monument marker. So we install it. Oh, it's only a tiny thing. Oh, yeah, this is easy. So it's basically like a
what if we
like
put
a
it
blueprint.
far away, so if it does get attacked, we just fail the quest? And then...
If you want it, go for it.
No. Wait, is someone moving it?
Oh, yeah, I think they're putting the marker down. But they can't because it's not allowed yet.
Oh, there we go. Fucking yoinked it.
Yeah, Psychoid is 63% done. What's Moody at now? Oh, he's got 8 intellectual. Holy fuck. He's been cooking, dude.
It's almost done.
Yup.
Wait, hold up. Sign.
There we go. Oh, you can do hydroponics now. Okay, so yeah, we need to make yayo, which uses 8 psychoid. So 8 psychoid turns 1 yayo, and then we use 1 yayo and 2 of the nitro, whatever the fuck, to make go juice. Right.
Oh, it makes 4 go juice? Okay, I need to figure out how to make sure Jaeger doesn't touch go juice. Go juice. No.
Oh.
Okay.
And yayo. You can't have yayo either. I don't know whether it is on there, so we've got to take it off. Right, I did it. Okay. Where's the ambrosia? Did we harvest it already? Wait, have we got ambrosia right now? Oh, we do.
Well, we had the ones that you had put the zone for.
Yeah, it's really good. I think it's expensive too. Each one is 15 silver. We've got about 20, I think. Oh no, we've got loads. They're like 60.
Have we made any?
Not yet. We haven't got it. We haven't got enough. The thing hasn't finished.
Oh,
What's it called yet? You think we can keep prisoners in their monument that they want us to build? Or would they be mad?
Don't know. Ooh, Jan just leveled up construction.
I'm just gonna put Cassia on construction for a bit.
Should we have Jan
So
Bob just focus that thing?
yeah, we can do.
The thing to the left?
Yeah, we can just unallow all these floor tiles. Oh, wait, hold on.
Wait, why is there a big X? Oh, that's okay. I see it.
Let me try and do this tactically. There we go.
Oh, that takes a little while.
Because granite.
Construction botched. Oh no.
Yeah. Another
Cassia.
ambrosius. Oh, nice.
Nope. Cassia's got to learn some way.
It's also because she's got withdrawal symptoms right now.
Oh, not the frequent botching.
Oh no, is she really fucking it up?
It's the person you hope doesn't show up to work. Oh no.
Passing near the remains of an ancient exoskeleton, Moody noticed an intact transponder inside.
Fuck that. That sounds like it's gonna be a thing that's gonna insta delete us. You know I'm right.
Why is he cleaning over here? What did that message say? If you get the transponder, you could read value information.
Chat, do I need to turn this
You must
around to
destroy
heat?
it. The incendiary weapon cells look unstable and will likely detonate afterwards. Yeah, maybe not yet.
And if so, is there a way to turn it around? Is there a way to turn around the air conditioning stuff we have?
I'm not quite sure.
I mean, we could deconstruct and I guess rebuild. But there's no like...
Yeah, probably be the easiest way. Hold on. Jambo, can you just finish this one? We're missing 4. Are you kidding me? Can you make sandstone instead?
Alternatively, we could just do this.
Why did I make these out of... One moment. Come on, I want our new guy. There we go. My God, Hector's there. What's he got around his neck? Got a Parker on. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna turn the power. Okay, should be...
Okay, Hector needs a bedroom. Should we just unmedical this one?
Oh, it's fucking freezing.
Oh my God, it's actually freezing. You probably just need a heater instead.
Oh. I think you're right.
Yeah, so you could just like delete one of. Oh, you don't even have to delete them, but. Okay, Hector. Let's have a look.
Okay, we're normalizing. This is good.
Quest available. The wire cube of School of Jan Barber. Oh shit! If we could collect it, we could make Jan Bobbians happy. Oh shit, dude! We need to find it though. Let's accept this quest. Okay. So
That
we've just
doesn't
got to
sound
somehow,
sketchy.
we've got to somehow find this ancient relic of Jan Bob.
Okay, temps are good everywhere now. We're good.
Yes. Okay, Psychoid's nearly done.
Okay, that's fine.
So there's a smoke leaf. What else do we need? I do genuinely think we might need to capture Jaeger bomb. Let's make some. Let's
Are we
put
not
some
able to
bed.
get Jan Bob to convince?
I don't think she's gonna be good. Okay, there's 2 little prison rooms.
One, one social. Fuck.
I know, but because he's got no recent conquest, like look at all his negatives. They're all like because of his ideology. I'll try and do a convert. Hold on. He's asleep.
Hmm.
Wacky.
Yeah, there's a multiplayer mod.
There we go. Oh, it's going too fast. There we go. Saving. Jam Bob. It's failed by 10%. It's so slow.
Hold on, before we do this,
Okay.
Jagerbomb has a shotgun.
Okay. Drop the shotgun. Let me save it. Let me save it. Let me save it.
Uh-huh. Are we putting him in one of the the rooms there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I can't remember how to do this. I'll be honest. Chat. Does anyone know?
Select Jan Bob. Oh wait, we have to. Don't we have to label them something?
I can't remember.
Operations. Wait, what if we get them? What if we? what? What if we get them high first?
Wait. Okay.
Or wait, no. What if we put them to sleep first? I don't know what any of that would do.
I don't know either.
Social assign role? No. I swear there was something you had to do before you could take someone you already have in a different way. I don't know. Should I just resume? Normal.
I'm asking chat. I'm trying to get some help. Oh, one person start combat and then go arrest him afterwards. Okay, hold on.
Should we drop all their gear?
Oh wait, I got it. Jab Bob, go. Right,
Wait, hold on.
Trying to arrest him.
Wait, he still has a gun.
Oh, he still has the gun. Okay. Tell him to drop the gun. Oh wait, hold on. If we tell Jaeger to go fight somebody, sure, go hit Moody. Oh no, I don't think I can do it. Okay. Someone said that people might be angry, but I'll be fine. Go, Jam Bob, go. Chat, the issue is we don't have a good warden. This is the problem. Oh god, this looks so dodgy.
Wait, he's fleeing. Let me just turn him around.
Oh, there we go. Okay, she's taking him to prison.
Should we assign the other room? So that it doesn't lead to just this immediately?
Yeah, it's a child. Isn't gonna do anything. Okay, so then if we click on him, go to prisoner, then we can convert first. Yeah. So now Jambob has one social, but she will prioritize trying to convert him every time.
Okay. We need to reduce their resistance, right?
So if you convert them first, then you can reduce
Okay.
resistance afterwards. And recruit them in.
All right.
This is fine. It's good training for Jambob, you know? Look, she's going for it. See?
They were not
See?
convinced.
Okay, so I think I remember doing this before. It's good to have a tiny room when you're converting their ideology, because the worse they feel, the easier that it is for their what do you call it, certainty to drop in their current ideology. But then we need to have like a nicer prison to send them to once they've converted, and then we can try and recruit them because they need a better mood.
That makes sense.
Yeah. Okay, hydroponics is done. So if you want to make a hydroponics thing, now's your time. Okay, I think I'm gonna go for smithing, just so we can get some melee weapons, and then go into like guns and shit.
All right. Where do I want the little farm? Wait, what's the hydroponic basin for? Die if power's cut. Ooh. I don't know how the light works. Let me check. RimWorld, sunlight, hydroponics layout. Sure. um Interesting. Does seem to be a meta layout. We're gonna put down a sun thing first. I don't necessarily know where I want to do this. Maybe over here? Let's see. Furniture.
Okay, what I'm doing is I'm making this big room down here. It's gonna be like the ritual room for our Jambobism. Oh, what the fuck? She made a masterwork nail pillow, and I'm basically we're gonna use this to try and convert Cassia, because like the nicer the room, the higher the chance of conversion will be.
Got it.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, what do we do here?
Well, they're angry, right?
Yeah, it's gonna have to break out of a steel door. I think we should be all right for now. If he starts completely breaking out the room, then we can go, you know. We can also just like
He's fucking up the steel door. 1 second. I have an idea.
just repair it.
What if I put an airlock right after it?
just a block, just a granite block or something.
Wait, can we do that?
I, probably. Hold on, let me just go get Cassis to go. Oh no, let's do Hector. Okay, Hector is repairing it faster than he's breaking it. Can't tease the child's trying to break out.
Oh, he's fucking it up.
He's gonna break his hands.
Oh,
Hector,
the door's
please.
about to break. Door's about to break.
This is so stupid. Is he gonna give up?
I don't know.
Oh, Hector, have a snack. Snack break.
Should I just build a wall?
It's up to you. Because you're gonna knock him out. Hold on, let me. I don't want to kill him though. Every time Moody's attacked somebody, he's killed them.
Fuck. I don't know. I don't know what to do here.
I've got an idea. Public execution.
No.
Okay.
I'm putting a steel wall.
Okay.
And Bob, it is your time to work on this. Quick. Did he give up?
Does he give it up?
He didn't. Get fucked.
Oh no. Has that social gone up at all? Or... Nope.
I wonder if we can repair that on the corner without destroying the wall.
Oh yeah, maybe. Oh, it's full now. Oh, it's a not ideal temperature for the psychoid now. So maybe that hydroponics might be good sooner rather than later.
We have a lot of granite, right?
Not so much anymore because we've built this big thing down here.
Oh, you're right. I don't have
If you need
much.
more stone blocks, yeah, I'll make some more stone blocks and just do it like. Take it. Do we have any wood?
165. Not a crazy amount. What do we have a lot of?
They're getting raided. They're gonna prepare for a while. Uh-oh. Oh god, it's the Mega Men. What are these called? The Yetikin.
Oh, I think. Oh, wait, there's a lot of them. Oh, they all have
There's
melee
3.
weapons.
Yeah, these are the furry race. Really good with the animals. Ooh, really good with plants. Ooh, yeah, we'd like some of these guys. Okay,
How
they're
do
gonna
we
prepare for a while.
consolidate, or not consolidate, but like split them up to hopefully try to grab them? Oh wait, we already have a prisoner. This is.
We can't.
Wait a minute.
We're just gonna have to attack them, and if they pass out instead of dying, then we keep them. I don't think we're gonna be able to like selectively be like, I want you. You know.
True. All right, I'll take Cassia. Who got a gun? Oh wait,
Where's Moody's
Jaeger.
knife?
Jaeger was the one who had the shot or the chain shotgun thingy.
Oh yeah, who's Hector's good at shooting. Go Hector, go.
Hector has the
Moody,
bolt
grab.
action.
No, Hank doesn't have a bolt action, does he?
I'm sorry. Dratz does.
Yeah.
Do we just go to them?
Yeah, fuck it. Wait, you haven't. Okay, I'll take. Let me grab it.
Hmm.
Where are we going? Where are they? Oh, fuck. Careful. I'm coming.
Oh,
Well, you
Well,
started.
I didn't realize. Oh wait,
It's fine.
they're like they
Are
don't even
stupid?
care.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, one's. Oh, I thought they passed out. Fuck. Oh.
Tip, tip, tip. Oh, Hector just got fucked up. Oh my god. Hector's down. Okay, focus, do work. They're running.
Hey, that one's dead. Oh wait. Hold up.
Well,
How come? Is their name supposed to be red?
because they're fleeing. Yeah, we could chase them, but not really. Hector, are you gonna die? Oh, his right leg's gone. Okay, hold on. We gotta. Okay, we gotta. Oh.
Jan
Okay, you have
Bob?
to try. Jambob's just gonna have to do some tending without. Yeah.
Oh wait, there's medicine right here. Herbal medicine.
Pick
Jan
up.
Bob. Yep. Oh, did they already leave? They did.
Can I try and tend Hector? Here we go. Oh god. Yeah, he's lost a leg.
That's okay.
We're tech humanists, so we want. This is like a blessing, you know. Oh, he's back. He's walking. He's doing great.
He's in
He's
no
better than he's
immediate
ever
danger.
been.
Yeah. It's fine.
Meanwhile, Jaeger bomb still trying to break out. I think we need to knock him out.
We have a club. I think we picked one. Oh,
Jam Bob, what's she doing?
tending to Hector. Probably the best course of action.
He's in no immediate danger.
Okay.
She's cloud watching now. Let's get Moody to go punch this guy out.
He's still in berserk. Berserk
I know,
mode. Wait, I think we do it with the club.
with the club. Okay, where's the club? Is it on the way back with Hoppy? Yeah. There it is. If this club kills him, I swear to God. Swear to God. Let's make a hospital room. Hold on.
Hear me out. We we turn the other room into the hospital one for the prisoners.
That's a good idea.
What the fuck's
Do you
Moody
feel
doing?
like he's researching, but because we need Hector to destroy this. Okay.
Oh, that door's about to come down.
Stop it. Stop it. You gonna give it up? Punk.
Come on, please.
There we go. You know what? Okay. Listen, I think he has less clothes. He'll be more likely to convert.
I agree.
Okay, Jam Bob.
He's in mind shattering. Oh, he's malnourished too. Uh-oh.
He'll be fine.
This is fine. Yeah, definitely.
This is great. Jambob's medicine leveled up. Huge.
What's wrong with Jan Bob? Hungry? Eat. What are you doing? Well, actually, also feed Jaeger. Feed Jaeger Bob. He's malnourished, minus 20. Ooh.
Yep. Yeah, she fed it. Why is Moody in the bed instead of Hector? Hector is literally dying. Are we out of medicine? I've got 2 more. Okay, we need to make a prosthetic leg. How do we do that again? We need a peg leg. It's like a crafting stable or something?
Wait, what's the am I thinking of here? Oh, how do we make the medical shit?
Medical is the drug lab, right? Yeah. But we need how do we do a peg leg?
Are you sure we don't have to get?
Yeah, we might need something. I don't know what it is. Unless it's just a crafting spot. Hold on, let me try. No.
I feel like this should be a simple thing.
Oh, it might be an operation. It might be if I go to.
Well, I mean, even then, how do we make the healing thing, like the actual medicine?
Oh, medicine production is you have to go all the way past microelectronics, and it's right at the top of that next column. So it's like straight across from drug production.
Oh, fuck, we need that. We're definitely gonna need that. Oh, jeez. All right, well, we're almost done with whatever we're doing now.
I think we need to install a peg leg. What leg is it? Right leg. Install peg leg, right leg. Okay, Jambob, can you operate, please? This might go terribly wrong. I've done this before, and I chose the wrong leg. So then he had 1 missing leg and then 1 peg leg.
Let's see. Uh-oh. Preemptively bringing the medicine.
Oh yeah, she's got the. She gotta get the wood there. Just one.
That's
just
so
one
fucked.
This is good. Hector will enjoy this when he's transhumanist.
Yeah, honestly, Jan Bob is the glue holding this home together.
Yeah, it's surprising. Honestly.
Wait, this door's still open where Jaeger is.
Oh, because of the clothing. Can someone just go draft me all these noises, operation noises? How'd it go? Got peg leg. Nice.
Nice.
He's
fine.
Sedated for 2 days.
That's okay. They did good. Hey, this is actually pretty solid. But like I said, definitely next order of business is making sure we can make medicine. Because I think we are out officially. But we have herbal medicine.